Chapter 4 Introduction to GIMP. Introduction to GIMP. GNU Image Manipulation Program GIMP is a free image editing program. Beginners can use it as a simple paint program, while experts can work on GIMP to retouch images, resize images, add special effects to them, manipulate the images in different ways, saving the images in different types, applying filters on them, working with layers, and all the features of a premium commercial image editing software. GIMP can be downloaded from https://www.gimp.org/downloads/. This chapter gives an introduction to the basic tools in GIMP. GIMP interface. GIMP interface is composed of 4 main components: Toolbox, tool options, various panels arranged in tabs to accomplish various tasks, and fourth, image window, which displays the image to be created or edited. Creating a new image. Press Ctrl+N or click Image option in the File menu. In Create a New Image dialog box, Template, you can select the predefined sizes using this drop-down list. Image size. In this section, you can define custom size and height and width parameters. The units of these parameters can be selected from the drop-down with several options like pixels, inches, feet, etc. Pixel is by default. Saving an image. Images in GIMP are saved with extension .xcf. You can also save a zipped gzip version of the image. Use File, go to Save or Save As option to save the image file. Exporting image in different formats. Images can be exported from GIMP in a variety of formats like JPEG, GIF, PSD, PNG, RAW, TIFF, BMP, GBR, GIMP Brush, PAT GIMP Pattern, and ICO, Icon, etc. Use File, go to Export As option to export the image file. The Toolbox. Toolbox provides various tools to work with the image. It also displays the options to customize the tools as desired. Toolbox also displays current background and foreground colors. Selection tools and selection modes. Selection tools allow selecting a part or whole image in various ways, like a particular shape, on the basis of color regions in the images or freehand shapes. Let's learn about basic selection tools. Rectangle and ellipse tools. These tools allow selecting a part of image in rectangular or elliptical form. We can change the rectangular corners to rounded corners by changing the radius and rounded corners options. Some common options are described below. Feather edges sets smoothness of selection edges from sharp to blur. Rounded corners sets the radius of the rectangle selection corners. Free Select tool. It allows free-form selection by clicking at various points which join to make the desired shape. Fuzzy Select tool. This tool selects a contiguous region in the image by sensing the similarity in the colors. In options, we can set the threshold to sense the similarity in color regions. Select by Color tool. It selects all the similar colors in an entire image. Color sensing can be set by threshold option. Scissors Select tool. This tool wraps the selection around the color pixels as the user clicks on. This helps in selecting irregular shapes like clouds, face, trees, etc. easily. Selection modes. When we make a new selection, the previous selection goes away by default. But sometimes we need to add, subtract or overlap, intersect the selections. Add to current selection. This can be done by making a new selection while pressing Shift key on the keyboard or clicking the second button in the Mode choices and tool options. Subtract from the current selection. This can be done by making a new selection while pressing Control key on keyboard or clicking the third button in the Mode choices and tool options. Intersect with the current selection. This can be done by making a new selection while pressing Shift plus Control keys on the keyboard or clicking the fourth button in the Mode choices and tool options. Drawing and painting tools. Pencil and paintbrush. Both the tools are same except that pencil draws smoother than paintbrush. In tool options, various settings can be done like various brush styles, size, drawing angle, hardness, force and various drawing dynamic options. You need to spend some time trying out various combinations of these options for varying drawing effects. Press Shift key to draw a straight line. Bucket fill and gradient. Bucket fill allows filling selected color or pattern in a closed selection. You can fill whole selection or similar colors. Threshold option allows setting the color sensitivity for fill. Lower the value, lesser colored areas will be identified to fill. Gradient tool fills blend of two or more colors in a selection. Airbrush and ink. Airbrush produces paint spray like drawing, while ink tool is used to do calligraphy style drawing. These tools have same tool options as pencil. Eraser and clone tool. Eraser allows removing the undesired part of an image or drawing. Clone tool is used to clone one part of an image and stamp it to other parts. To copy a part of image using clone tool. Select the clone tool. While pressing Control key, click on the region of image you need to copy. Release Control key and then click in the desired region where you want to stamp or paste the copied part. These tools have same tool options as pencil.